Hey guys, welcome to the complete HTML practical course. In this video, I'm gonna cover the following titles over here. The first one is HTML attributes. HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about an element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes come in name and value pair like this. Let me show you. Name equal to value like this. This is an attribute in HTML. So attributes like title, href, source, width, height, and alt means alternative text. Let's test one by one. The first one is title. Title will bring a tooltip. For example, I have a title heading one over here. I say this is a title, and here in the start tag add an space, and here type title attribute. This is the name, and this is the value should be in the quotation. It can be double quotation, it can be single quotation as you want. I say whenever I move the mouse over the title, I want to have a tooltip. For example, I say I save it and I run it on the Chrome. As you can see, when I move the mouse over this element, and it show me a tooltip, and the content is title. So the next one is href. Href is used for links. For example, I want to have a link over here, and this is the content of the link. I say go to Google, and here I type href. Href, this is the name, and equal to value in the quotation. But remember this, guys, HTML can have multiple attributes. This is, for example, href. Href, I'm gonna say HTTP. Go to the HTTP. I specified the address in here, www.google.com. I save this and I control R. When I click on this, it will go to the Google website. So the next one is source. Source is used in the image tag. For example, let me go to the folder, and this is our file HTML example. This is our HTML examples.html. This is our file, and I want to bring this image on my web page. And I'm gonna right click on this, and I'm going to click on the properties, and it is the JPG file. So 3.jpg. I'm gonna clear all these images, an empty tag, an empty elements. So this is source is 3.jpg. I save this and I refresh this. So it has another, as I mentioned earlier, HTML elements can have multiple attributes on itself. So I give an attribute like width, and I give an attribute like height. I give an attribute like alt. Alt is, as you know, it's for alternative text. I say image not found. And the height, this is defined in pixel. I said the width is 500 pixel, and the height is, for example, 500 pixel. When I refresh this, this is an image with 500 width and 500 height. So whenever I clear one of the width or height attribute, it will adjust itself with uh, with the width. So the next one is width, height, and alt. We covered. So always use lowercase attributes. In HTML, always everything is lowercase. HTML it's okay. HTML is not case sensitive, but using uppercase, it's a very not good style for your code, but it's good to write lowercase. Your code will be readable. So coding attributes value, none, single, or double. What does it mean? When I type here source, I don't code like this. In HTML5, it's okay. It's okay in HTML5. When I save the page and I refresh, nothing's happened and the page is correct. What if the image name is like tree house, I say. When I address the image like this, tree house, as you can see, the source is equal to tree, and this is for the source, and house.jpg is another attribute for this tag. So because of this error, always use quote your attributes. For example, like this. And it's no matter, you can use it single or you can use it double. It's depend on you. So whenever you have a single quotation, like for example, let me test on the image not found. For example, I am here. Here I typed a single quotation, and when I do this single quotation, it means it opened in here and closed in here, and this R will produce an expected error. So whenever you have a single quotation on your sentence in here, so use double quotation is better. I save this, I refresh. So this is for this video. Always use single or double, but don't use the none. This is for this video. Happy coding.